Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. This morning I'm going to make some French toast for Tom. Now, if you don't know how to make French toast, then this is the video for you. Come on. It's really easy to do. The way I do it is anyway. He likes it. He never complains about it, so I figure I'm doing it right. I don't like squishy bread. It's not really squishy by the time I get done with it, but it's not my texture. So anyhow, I'm using small eggs, so I'm going to use 3 of them. Typically I would use 2 extra large, or not extra large, 2 large eggs. So I'm going to use 3 of these little ones. Yeah, a little bit of cinnamon. Give it a stir. Also, I like to use a pie plate when I do this because it's so much easier to get that egg and the toast in here. Okay, now I'm going to put just a little bit of half and half. If you want to put milk in it, whatever kind of milk you have, whether it's plant-based milk or whole milk or just whatever you like to use. You can use heavy whipping cream if you want to. You know what I did? I put the wrong thing in there. That's cinnamon and sugar, which is not what I was looking for. Ground cinnamon. Thought that didn't look right on color. About a teaspoon. It would be fine. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put my pan on my burner and let it warm up a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Keep that fork because, you know, it'll come in handy. Now, let me get my bread open. Now, we're going to put a little butter on here. Turn that down just a little bit. And now we're going to dip our bread. Here's where that fork comes in handy again. I like to use thick bread, but I don't have that whenever I make this for him. I don't have that. I've only got the thin bread, so that's what we're going with. Just like that. Let me grab some more out of here with a clean hand. He said he wanted 4 slices, so that's what we'll go with. No need in fixing more than he wants. And it doesn't take that long to fix this, you all. You can mix your eggs up at night, you know, all of your ingredients in the evening time, at night, whatever, for the next day. Put it in the refrigerator with a lid on it, or cover it with foil or something. Yeah. That's the only thing I find odd about it, is the biggest part of it ends up on, yeah, with the cinnamon, ends up on the first bits of bread. So whoever gets those first 2 is winner. Alright, well, that worked out just right, didn't it? Like I said, that was 3 small eggs, which I don't typically use. Because these pieces don't get as much cinnamon, I'm going to put a little bit more on there. And what we're doing is we're just going to do it until the bread is toasty brown, and we're going to flip it over and let it cook on both sides. Now here is where I would have added this in. This is just an extra step. You don't have to do this at all. This is the cinnamon sugar mix. can do it like this, and you don't even have to put syrup or anything on it. Okay, now let's give this a look. See how it's got that brown on it here? That's what you're going for. That toasty brown color. You want those eggs done. Done, done, done. Put a little bit of this on here. But now if you want to add, if you don't have this mixture, just add you a little bit of sugar to your egg mix. That way you can get the sweetness that you want. Okay. Look at that. That's what we want. Right there. Now, you just serve some whatever breakfast meats that you might like, if you want any. On the side, you can sprinkle some delicious berries on top with a little bit of syrup. And there you have it. French toast. That fast and that easy. So just because it's got a fancy sounding name to toast, don't let it fool you. It's very quick, very easy. Less than 10 minutes. Y'all take care. If you haven't subscribed yet, hope you will. Click that thumbs up for me. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.